Hi, my name is Janet, and I'm here today to welcome you into my home to tell you about Bosubari's flour sack 100% cotton dish towels and some of the fun things you can do with them. Today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye one with turmeric. And I have the turmeric boiling on the stove. For those who can't see, let's get a look at that color. Let's hope I don't drop the phone in. Isn't that a pretty yellow? Alright, let's set that camera right back down. And I'm going to fold this. Look how big they are. They're wonderful. It's very reminiscent of my childhood, and I'm sure a lot of other people's, where your grandparents had these in their house, or your parents.